What's up, you guys? FSC Trucking. Oh my, I'm very hot and sweaty and just, I'm a wreck. I just got done loading that wrecker right there. That wrecker is not a backwards dump truck, although it kind of does look like a backwards dump truck, doesn't it? Yeah, it does look like a backwards dump truck, but no, it's not. What we did is we loaded a wrecker for a guy that we haul for a lot. He buys a lot of auction equipment, fixes them up and sells them. They put the dump truck body on top of the wrecker. We strapped it to the wrecker. Now we're getting ready to haul it. We're using Orwell, of course. If you're new to the channel, Orwell is my 1984 Peterbilt 362 Cabover, powered by a 7FB variant 3406B Caterpillar. Yeah, a lot of people ask, somewhere in the neighborhood about 400 horsepower approximate. What we're gonna go do now is just take this up to Wisconsin. Today is Friday, but right before the 4th of July weekend, Friday, July 1. So what I'm gonna do now is figure out, okay, can we drop this off tomorrow, or do I gotta hold on to it till Monday? Not Monday, Tuesday. We'll find out here shortly once I get going. But with that, I'm gonna go ahead and get the GoPro set up and get it going. But I'll go ahead and show it to you exactly how we did it here. If you didn't see the other video, here's how I tied it down. I grabbed it by its front axle, pulling forward, stretching the truck. And then on the back, I grabbed the springs, we crossed and stretched, pulling it apart. Of course, the wrecker body, I lucked out. There was welded strap winches already hooked up to the rollback body, so we just used their straps, except for one. One was damaged, so I used mine instead. Chuck 3 straps over the top, good to go. It's sitting right up against the deck. Even if it rubs a little, ain't gonna hurt nothing. And then right there, we've got it tied and cross-chained right there. That piece on the very top right there, we did measure it. It's like 13.4 off the ground, and the antenna is about the same height, so we're good to go there. With that, that's the load. Pretty straightforward. Well, like I said, we're gonna push the brake knobs in and get on down the line. Go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe. It helps out as I trip on these rocks. Come on, guys, you gotta hook a brother up. What's up, guys? Steve here. You guys like antique trucks, that's why you watch my channel. So why don't you go ahead and join me and see Orwell Saturday, August 6th between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. at Southern Michigan Railroad in Clinton, Michigan. No, not Clinton Township, Clinton, Michigan. Go ahead and check that out. What they're doing over there, Southern Michigan Railroad, is doing an event called Trains, Trucks, and More. What they're gonna do is they're gonna show off trucks similar to Orwell. They're also gonna show off other things such as farm tractors, emergency equipment, and much, much more. Now, bear in mind, Southern Michigan Railroad, they do have historic trains and equipment. Southern Michigan Railroad is a passenger excursion line that runs between Clinton, Michigan and Tecumseh, Michigan. They do a round trip back and forth. That's the train ride. Admission for the show is free, by the way, boys and girls. So come on, let's go. Grab the kids, let's go. Meet me, see Orwell, get a train ride. Let's ride.
safe. I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people that passed me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think for the people that passed me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your gap without making a mess at you. Why won't you tell me something new? I wanna tell you something new. I wish you all the best I can, and I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe. The panic's rising up in you. Why won't you tell me something new? Don't you think for the people that passed me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think for the people that passed me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your gap without making a mess at you. Why won't you tell me something new? I wanna tell you something new. You drove us both into a wall. I drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while. Don't you think for the people that passed me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you think for the people that passed me by, back my stuff and leave sooner than this? Don't you wish I would have been someone else? I wanna feel your gap without making a mess at you. Why won't you tell me something new? Wish you all the best I can, then I stop myself for a while.